Why? Why I am put into this? These are called Atma Tattva. These are called Brahma Jigyasa. If a man is not enlightened to this point of inquiring this what I am, where from I have come, what is this world, what is this body, why I am getting old, why I am getting disease, so many whys there. This is called Brahma Jigyasa. But they are pramukta. They are made after the struggle for existence, although they know nothing will exist. It has come just like a flash and it will end like a flash. Then what is the actual platform of my life, my living condition? They do not inquire. They do not inquire. So, griheshu grihame vilas, dehavatsa kalapradishu, atma sanneshu athastapi, isang pramatta nidhanam. Everyone is saying that it will destroy. Suppose, if you know, suppose you are constructing a very nice skyscraper building, but if you know, somebody says that tomorrow the whole city will merge into the Atlantic Ocean, would you like to construct such building? No. I am giving that one example, but it is a fact that the struggle for existence, for living, that living condition will not get on. Then the next question should be that why this is happening. Everyone is struggling for existence, but existence, there is no, I will not exist, nobody will exist. These questions, unless there is in the human mind, then Bhagavad says, parabhavastava. His all activities are simply defeat. Javanna jigyasato atma tattva. So atma tattva. One should be inquisitive to understand what is my constitutional position. Then it is perfect life. Otherwise it is crazy life. We may try to live by so much hard struggle of life, but we cannot exist. We can exist only when we understand what I am. Then I shall be, this is diagnosis. If I know that what is my actual need, if I know what is my actual position, if I know that where from I have come and where I have to go, all these information, if you are fully informed, that is perfection of life. Otherwise, it is simply disease, whatever you may do here. Apasatang tesang samatta nidhanam passannapi napat. Tasmat bharata sarvatma bhagavan haririshara srodabba kirtitabbascha smartabbascha ichata avayam. Now he is concluding that don't be misled by so many subject matter of hearing. Just concentrate upon hearing Krishna concept. Tasmat, therefore, Tasmat Bharata, O descendant of Bharat, Sarvatma means the all-pervading super soul, Bhagavan, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Ishvara, the Supreme Controller, Hari, who can, protect you, who can take away all your miseries, who can protect you from all misery. Tasmad Bharata Sarvatma Bhagavan Hari, Ishvara Hari, Sutabha. You have to hear about him. Instead of hearing so many other news which will not exist, you just try to hear about Hari, the Supreme Personality of God. Because Parikshit Maharaj question was, now I am going to die. What shall I hear about? Because hearing is our main business. You are hearing. If you go out from this temple, you will also hear. Or the sound is always going on. If you do not want to hear, the hearing is going on. So here it is recommended that that Bhagavan, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is the Supreme Controller, who is Hari, or who protects us from all difficulties, Hari, and Sarvatma is situated in everyone's heart. That Supreme Personality of Godhead, Super Soul, should be heard, Srutam should be heard. We should be prepared to hear about Him. Srutavya Itatavyascha. And we should discuss about Him. Itatavyascha. Smartavya. And if we hear and discuss, then if we are really serious, then we shall remember also. Smartavya and Smartavya Chetatavayam. Those who are actually desiring Abhayam. Abhayam means fearlessness. So long we are not connected in Krishna consciousness or not connected with the Supreme Lord, we shall always be fearful. Fearful is one of the qualifications of the conditioned soul. Ahara, Nidra, Bhaya, Maithunach. 4 necessities. Why you are depending? Because on account of fearfulness. The animal is a small animal and it has got also fear, and the biggest nation, Russia and America, they are also fearful. Because this is the qualification of conditioned life. Ahar, eating, nidra, sleeping, and fearing and mating. So if you want to get yourself free from fearfulness, then Sukadeva Goswami recommends that you have to chant and you have to hear and you have to remember about the Supreme Personality of God.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuda habe Shuniha sabara shoka dukkha je guchi bhe Nachao, nachao, nachao Prabhu Nachao se mate Bhakti Vedantanam Ebe Sartha